My life with the chickens. White feather. Tangy. Hi guys. Brought their friends. More friends are coming. Yeah? You guys want a little snack? Be careful, little girl. Her little leg's broke. I don't know, broke, but it's hurt. So always worry about her slipping. Come here, Tangy girl. All right, we gotta be nice to the others. One more. Yep. All right, let's go get everybody fed, okay? Come on, girls. Come on. Come on. Come on, girls. Hello, everybody. Come on. Come on, I can't even get out. All righty, guys. White Feather gets her pick, so does Tangy. Here we guys go. This little girl needs some. There's Mijo. Mijo! How you doing, Mijo? Let's give the rooster some. Hi, Mijo. Come here. Mijo's girlfriend. Whoops, sorry. Rooster. There's a small rooster. Hi, babies. Okay. Here's what they're really waiting for. Mijo! What are you doing, Mijo? You and your girl? Come here. Ow, be careful, little nuts. Alright, here we go. There you go, Mijo. Here you go, mister. Mijo, you're just getting your fill. Rooster doesn't even eat it. I think he just takes it out and... Hi, Mijo. Here, Tangy. Come here, little girl. So, this is chicken feeding time. I feel like the whole crowd's not here. This rooster used to peck my hand and like twist it. Because he thought my hand was food. He's being better now. Huh. Hi, mister. Being a good boy? You being a good boy. Hi, Mijo. I've been picking up Mijo. Hi, White Feather Girl. She is my first favorite, and I still love her. Look at her little bald head. Rooster's not good to you, huh, girl? No. Tangy. Hey, you be nice. Okay, one more worm throw. Chicka-choo. Chicka-choo. And these two know. They're like, we don't have to go running. Okay, mister. I don't know if we'll be able to see it, but the helicopter's been flying over all day long. They're doing fire drills at the, what do you call it? Can't even think of the word right now. National Forest Service. This girl, I call her Black-Eyed Girl. She's very talkative. So they all got their little snack. They're very mean to the little ones. That's the runt of the small litter. And this girl, she's taking a liking to me too. I think it's Miho's girl. Are you Miho's girl? My white feather girl? Okay, I just thought I'd give you a little chicken feeding time. The madness that goes on around here. Kind of crazy. All right, till next time. Happy trails.